When sourcing watches from China, it is important to work with the reliable suppliers who can provide high-quality products. With advanced technology and equipment, and covering an area of 16,000 square meters, Guangdong Skmei Watch Manufacturer Company Limited is a manufacturer specializing in high-quality digital watch, analog digital watch, quartz watch, mechanical watch, smartwatch, Kibla watch. A wide range of products are also available to cater for the varied needs of customers from different markets. Skmei's watches are sold all over the world, mainly in Asia, South America, Middle East, Southeast Asia, Africa, and so on. Each of our watches are subjected to water-resistant and accuracy tests to ensure the quality. We are equipped with 4 quality inspectors in each production line. They are responsible for monitoring every step. That is why we can confidently guarantee our products with 1-year warranty. We accept trial order as few as 200 units per style, which is to facilitate test sales when you purchase from us. In order to be more competitive in the mid to high-end watch market, Skmei strives to establish the strictest standards from design, material selection, quality control, and customer service. With rich experience service for OEM orders and our self-owned factory, we are also sure to efficiently complete your customized orders with high quality. High quality, integrity, innovation, and win-win is our business philosophy. Our Skmei vision is wish you beautiful every moment.